Hi guys, welcome back with new video. This is the first video of my C# tutorials and projects video series. I am Salinder. Welcome to my SL Dev Code YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to be showing guys how to create your first C# Windows Form application in Visual Studio 2019. So let's get start the video. First of all, you have to install Visual Studio 2019. You can go to this website and download Visual Studio 2019. I will put those links in my video description. If you want, you can download Visual Studio using these links. This is the website. You can see all the details. You can download Community 2019 Visual Studio. Yes. Now you have to open Visual Studio and create a Windows Form application. Now I am going to open Visual Studio 2019. Now continue without code and go to File and go to New and select Project. After that you can see this interface. After that select the C# and select Windows Form application .NET Framework. Select it and after that you have to select next. Now you can give a project name. I will give tutorial 1. After that, select the location where you want to save this application. You can browse it and select your location. And now you click Create. Now you can see C# Windows Form application. It's a loading. We'll see. Yes, now you can see C# Windows Form application. When you are going to work with Windows Form application in Visual Studio, there are mainly 4 windows: Solution Explorer, Properties, and Server Explorer, and Toolbox. So I mean, if you can't see any one of these windows, you can go to View and then you can see the Solution Explorer and Toolbox and Properties windows. Yes. Now those things are okay. In Solution Explorer, it will list all of the projects available under this solution. And also inside the Properties windows, you can change or add events related to the form. You can see like those things. And inside the Server Explorer, deal with databases. And also then we have to Toolbox to add or control into this form. Here you can see lot of tools. Yes. Now I will run the code and see the output. Now you can see Form 1 application. You can minimize it and close like this. There is a tool. Yes, I will close it. And so there is a there is a form.cs file. So there is a program.cs file. Here you can see application.run So inside that we have to pass an object of this form, new form 1. Yes, now I will go back my form, right click to your form and go to properties. Now you can change the form name. I will change it C# tutorial 1. Now you can see this text inside. Yes, now you can see it. Yes, now you can change your background color using this appearance tab. Yes, you can change these colors like this. Now I am going to add button. You have to go to toolbox and type search button and drag and drop here, drag and drop to form application. So now you can click your button and you can resize it like this. If you click this button, right click and go to properties. Now you can go to button properties. You can change the button text, but it means button name. I will type it click me. Yes, now you can change button color, font size, all the things you can change like this. Now I am going to change font size. Font style I select bold and font size I will select 28. Yes. Now I am going to add label, drag and drop and yes, right click the label and go to properties. Now you can change this name also. I'll give SLDev code YouTube channel. Now it will display in your form application. Yes, now you can change it properties. It means it color, font size, all the things you can change. Font size I'll give bold. Font style, now you can select font size also. Yes. Once again I'll run the code and we'll see the output. Yes, it's nice interface. Yes. Now I am going to add another button to exit the system. Search button and drag and drop inside the Windows Form application. And now I am going to change the properties. This like change the button name. I will give exit and you can change back color and font size also. I'll change those things quickly. Now my design part is okay. Now click in the like button, double click the click me button. Now I am going to show a message box dot show. Now you have to give a message what you want to display when click the button. I'll give hello world. Yes. Now I am going to my design and double click the exit button. Now I am going to type application dot exit, not a close, not dot exit function. When you click the exit button, it automatically exits the system. this is the message box, this is the exit function. So now I am going to run my code. Click the start button. Yes, click me button. Now you can see this message, hello world. Okay, and when you click exit button, it automatically exit the system. Now you successfully created the Windows Form application in Visual Studio. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, make a comment and ask, and click the like button and share my videos. Don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.